Welcome guys, so today I am with TCL 306 and I want to show you a few camera tips. At first I'm going to show you how you can take photos, because you can make it in a few different ways. The first one, the most obvious, just tap on the shutter. Another option, on the volume buttons, so you can click volume up and volume down, and also you will take photo. On the back of your smartphone you will find this fingerprint sensor, and when you put your finger on it, you can also take photos, as you can see, just like that. And another option will be right here. When you open this menu, it will be called the touch shot. So right now we can touch the screen and the photo will be also taken. So for example, this option you can use when you hold your phone like that and you cannot reach this bottom shutter and you cannot reach this fingerprint sensor, so we can just click on the screen like that. Okay, I think that right now we are able to turn it off, this touch shutter, and I'm going to show you how to use the zoom feature. So normally when you want to zoom in and zoom out, you have to tap right here on the 1x, 2x and 4x. You can also move your finger on the slider. You can pinch your fingers on the screen, and also we can go for the settings and change the volume button function from the shutter to zoom. And right now take a look, you are able to use the volume buttons to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so that's it about the zoom. Right now when you click right here, you are able to change color and the temperature on the photos. If you want to take photo with this one, just select, click on the shutter, and the photo was taken. As you can see, it looks like that. If you want to turn off the filters, you have to click here one more time and select this option. When you want to change the brightness level, just click on the screen and move this sun icon like that to decrease or increase brightness level. As you can see, simple as that. Okay, when you open this menu, you are also able to set the camera timer between 2, 5 or 8 seconds. So let's pick 2 seconds, click on the shutter, and as you can see, after this time the photo was taken. When you go for the camera option, we can, for example, adjust the video quality or photo size, and also you are able to use gesture to capture photos or videos. So we have to tap on the switcher, and after that you are able to show the palm of your hand in front of the selfie camera, and the photo or video will be taken. So yeah, that's all for this phone. Few camera tips. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.